Got a Z425 John Deere lawnmower here. Want to turn the key on to start? Nothing. So the basic process of going through it is I figured I gotta check the fuses right here. Pop this off. I had a fuse that was out right here. It calls for the, which one is that? The relay ignition, it claimed. I thought I got my problem right there. Changed that, nothing. Didn't change anything. Turned the key and it was nothing. So then I did what, on these guys, you have to take this guy off right here, two small little metric bolt heads, and move this out of the way. And the solenoid's down under here where my finger's pointing. Can't see in there too well. The solenoid is hanging right here. Get this out of the way. Get underneath there, you can kind of get in there. I put a bolt, big bolt to cross the two ends of the bolts together, and the thing turned right over. So, didn't even have to turn the key or anything. My 10-year-old was helping, and I said, oh, that must have been it. And he said, well, I didn't do anything. He never even touched the key, and I put the bolt to the 2 points on the solenoid, and the battery's good, of course, and it turned it over, which made me think that it has to be either the, it probably wouldn't be the relay then, it was working, so it had to be the ignition. I took the ignition apart, simply screw this plastic off, take this bolt right off here, you can get underneath there. I cleaned off all the points. It was a little wet and dirty, started right up. So this ignition here was dirty, and if it hadn't been that, you just take this off, slide underneath there, it pops right out, and you get a new one of these ignition, key comes out, one of these ignition pieces right here. And probably isn't much, under $20, I would assume. And that would have probably solved that problem. So anytime your lawnmower in general won't start, that's usually the process, is to check out the solenoid and then see if the starter on this guy's right down here, your battery, your fuses, and your relay. That big one here is the relay, the black one. I thought that might be the problem, but it wasn't. And check those things and your switch, and it should be all your problems. And that's how I got my 425 to start tonight. Praise the Lord for that. And I also got my other little invention here. Got some duct tape around my sensor on the seat that's supposed to go on right up here. It's supposed to hook on there, but I have that. I put a paper clip in there to connect so it's on all the time. Now I can get off the lawnmower every time a golf ball's in the way or something, and it's not unsafe either. I'm a grown adult, I can handle it. So that's how you troubleshoot these things. It's either one of those sensors. There's a sensor in here. There's a sensor with the parking brake over here. It's either one of those sensors or ignition or relay or solenoid or battery, and that's the only thing that it can be. All right, hope this helps somebody out there, because not being able to mow your grass is a big headache. God bless.